Welcome to this short presentation of the sauna configurator. Your customer builds the sauna they want and turns it around to look at every side of it. It is pre-built to fit any sauna model and any supplier, and customized to your exact specification in about a week. The first choice is the variation, and it drives everything underneath it. A hot room on its own, or a full cabin with a deck. The options that follow change with the choice because they are your options for that product. Then the size. In the dimensions feature your customers pick from the standard sizes you build, describe the way they think about them, by how many people sit in there. And if you sell custom sizes, they switch to custom and set width, depth and height on the sliders. The sauna redraws around every number. In the exterior cladding feature, your customers select the wood, and the list they see is always built from what you actually sell. Charred wood changes the whole building. Under each material sits the species you stock for it, so the second list is rebuilt from the first. The interior is its own feature. They either carry the exterior wood inside or choose a different one for the hot room. In the roof feature, they choose the shape, flat, mono pitch or a gable, and the roof line rebuilds on the model. The roof material sits under it, and the sides the roof overhangs are picked one at a time. Each overhang has its own projection, so they set how far it reaches out in millimeters. Decking works the same way. They pick which sides of the sauna get a terrace. Then push each side out on its own slider until the deck is the size they want. Windows and doors are where a sauna is really specified. They choose a wall first, then open your catalog for it. Every window and door in there is a real unit from your range, with its real width and height. They pick one, and it is fitted into that wall straight away. Then they slide it along the wall to where they want it. The inside is configurable too, and the top view lifts the roof off so they can see it. They choose the heater, and whether it runs on electricity or wood. The bench layout comes from the layouts you build, and it lands in the room at the size the room actually is. Lighting is the last of it, under the benches, behind the backrests and out on the porch. Put the roof back on and the sauna is finished. And they can stand it in their own garden in augmented reality before they order anything. Last, the whole scene can be moved through the day. The hour slider runs a full day across the sauna, and the lighting they chose comes on as it gets dark. That is the whole configurator running on your own site. Customized to your exact specification in 1 week. Book a demo.